Hi, my name is Julian, and today we're going to talk about the Caregaroo UI test framework and how to run the tests. So right now in my bash shell, I am in the Caregaroo directory. I want to navigate first to the test directory and then to UI test. And in this directory there's a shell script which is the runner.sh. Now if you were to run the runner.sh on its own, it will run all the tests that we currently have against the staging environment. By passing a -h parameter, it's going to show us a usage of the various options that it takes. Now, I'm just going to quickly pop into the tests directory and talk a little bit about that. So inside of tests/suites, we have a few directories which represent kind of high-level hierarchy of all the tests for that particular function. So in the case of examples, it tests some of the helper functions that we've created. Landing tests the home page. Network info has a bunch of tests on the profile, editing the network information, as well as inviting users. Posts kind of relates to the tests against the news or posting some comments on some news items. And finally, sign up covers the tests for signing a new user up. So if I were to do an ls against post, I will see a bunch of different JavaScript files, and they're kind of the file names themselves are indicative of what the test is performing. So comment post is obviously going to try to exercise commenting on an existing news post. I'm going to go back to the directory where there was my shell script, and I'm going to pass a couple of parameters, in this case -l and -s. Now let's just focus on the -s. -s allows us to specify the either a directory or a specific JavaScript file that contains a test. In this case, I want to specify a JavaScript file. So because I didn't specify a -u parameter, it's going to run the tests against the staging environment. But if you're developing locally, what you can do is you can pass -u and then pass your localhost URL. So this should just be wrapping up any time now. And then right at the very end of the test execution is a summary of how the tests have done. So in this case there is one assertion, so there's only indicates that one test has passed. And that's it for this video. Thank you.